Have you ever heard of lovage? It's one of the most underrated herbs out there. But just look at it. This massive plant is lovage. And it's only in its second year. I'm growing it in zone 5 in this sunny spot. And it shot to about 11 feet tall this year. Lovage is a perennial herb. It tastes stronger and more savory than celery, but much, much stronger. The leaves, stem, and even the roots are all edible. The stems are hollow, so it can be fun to use them as straws for your favorite cocktail. The leaves are large. They kind of resemble parsley structure, flat leaf parsley, but they're thicker. But they're most tender when the plant is young. So mid-season when it gets hot, they get thicker. So I like to go and cut it to the ground. Cut the stem to the ground and it will regrow and get fresher leaves. Let me show you. So this is the old plant. And this one here is one that I cut to the ground probably a month ago. So it regrew and gave me all these tender leaves. See how they're tender? And it's in the shade here. It's shaded by the mulberry tree, so it's fine. I'm probably going to also cut these and keep maybe one just to harvest some seeds off. I made the mistake of planting 3 plants here, and it's too much. 1 plant is enough for your garden and for all your needs. Because of how strong the taste is, usually I would use like not even one whole leaf. I would use only this for the salad. Chop it really, really finely, and then you can feel the flavor. I also use it in stews, omelets, but always cut it really, like chop it really finely because of how flavorful it is. I started these lovage plants from seeds indoor. It took about 2 months for them to be ready. It was really easy to start them from seeds. Here are the flowers. They're still flowering, so I anticipate getting the seeds, and I read that you can use them also for seasoning, just like how you use fennel seeds and dill seeds. So I'm gonna do that and harvest some seeds later. I have not tried to sow the seeds outside directly, but maybe it can be done. And when it flowers, you can see these flowers are magnets for beneficial insects, different bugs. They just love the flowers. Now check this out. This other plant was planted at the same time of the other gigantic plant, but this one is in a shady area in my garden. It gets about 3 to 4 hours of sun before sunset, so not a lot, and its leaves are less thick than the other one. It started to flower this year as well, but the whole plant is about 2 feet tall. So if you want to have a smaller plant, then definitely grow it in a shady spot in your garden. Now since I have 3 plants, I don't need all of them. I'm gonna cut these to the ground. Make a cut here, and they will grow back with no problem. Look, see, here's the whole stalk. My hands smell like lovage now. See how it's hollow, so you can easily use it as a straw. I'm gonna cut the other ones and keep 1 plant for the seeds. So if you want a hardy perennial herb that adds bold flavor and big visual impact to your garden, lovage is a great choice. It's low maintenance. It did not get any disease. No bugs attacked it. I really did not do anything. I didn't even fertilize it this year, and it did this. Plus, it's cold hardy and comes back stronger every year. What else do you need? It might not be well known, and it's not available in stores, but once you grow it, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. It's bold, useful, and beautiful. Give it a try. Lovage.